Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity given to me to present a paper with the title The Role of Social Capital in Foreign Relocation, People Affected by the Pandemic COVID-19, Trusunawara Wabebek, Jakarta. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mawar. My team is Mr. Sosilo Sohar, Mrs. Endastiwati, and Mr. Suryadi. We are from Brawijaya University. As for my background, taking the about them is the first, the impact of the pandemic COVID-19 on the community economy is very large, especially for the relocation community residing in the Rawabebek Plus in DKI Jakarta. Second, people lost the market as people of purchasing power weakens limited product marketing due to limited modes of transportation. Since the pandemic, while most of the people are still working in their home area, namely in northern Penjaringan, Kalikrukut, and Bukit Duri, which thought the quite distance from the location of the floods. Third, due to the decrease in income, the residents of the flat cannot afford it meet the needs of daily life, even the areas of the rent of the flats very high. Fourth, the enforcement program that has been implemented so far has only touched the aspect of instrumental and has not touched the substantial aspect. Fifth, the relocation community has great potential to be empowered and involved actively in enforcement program because they have kinship value and high kinship because they come from the community the same. Social capital plays a very influential role in facilitating the skill need for empowerment. Research gap in this research are the first research from Fukuyama. So depending that strengthening the values of togetherness in group network will build collective solidarity. Noguchi et al. Policies are needed to strengthen social capital. Salam Sade, the concept of social capital must be developed in current empowerment programs. Dovin et al. Utilization of social capital that will strengthen or hinder empowerment programs through the main mediation mechanism, resource mobilization, resilience to change and conflict, and community participation and communication. Uswatun et al. Social capital has a positive contribution to community business, community during the pandemic COVID-19. The methods used in the research are qualitative approach, phenomenological research, data source, primary data and secondary data, data collection technique, the first observation, second interview, and the third documentation. The result of the research show the following findings. The first, Rusunawa Rawabebek Jakarta in terms of area has very potential prospect to be developed. There is land behind the Rusunawa area that has the potential for livestock or agriculture development. The roof area of the place is also very potential for the development of hydroponic plants. The location of the Rusunawa, which is on the banks of the canal, can also be development for water tourism and culinary business. Second, the level community participation in several empowerment programs is relatively low, while the active participation of the community and local government institutions will actually make the empowerment process take place quickly. Such use of social capital to empower the relocation community in Rawabebek Place is very important because it will have a significant impact on the innovation of the collaborating of the stakeholders involved, collective intelligence, and the sustainability of the program during the COVID-19 crisis. Next, elementary of social capital playing a role in the community empowerment program for the relocation of Rusunawa Bebek Jakarta. The first, mutual trust and solidarity, two, cooperation, third, information and communication, four, togetherness and social closing. Based on the result of the research that has been presented above, it can be conclusion and recommendation. The first, social capital is capital that can be used as a driving force in environment. Social capital provides support to the community to take action together and the reciprocity is obtained. The second, social capital is an alternative form of modality that is beneficial for the community to obtain both economic and social benefits. Social capital has synergy with the principle in the sustainability inclusive development paradigm. Third, development or policies affiliated with community social capital can be implemented in a more bottom-up manner because it focuses on the community not only as an object but also the subject of development itself. That's the result of the research that we have presented. Hopefully it's useful. I am very sorry if anything is not appropriate and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.